Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a pixie cut wig using Lush Wig Hair Company. We'll be using their 13x6 lace front wig in 10 inches. This is their water wave. The inside construction of the cap was very sturdy. It included 3 combs along the front, a comb in the back, and 2 removable adjustable bands along each side. They were similar to bra straps, which I really loved because I haven't seen this design before, and you can decide to use them or not just by detaching them. The wig also included their traditional bands that normally comes along the back for you to tighten or loosen the wig. The hair was very soft. There was no shedding and no tangles from my experience. As you can see, it's full all the way to the ends, and I'm able to run my fingers through it. So most of the video today, I'm going to let you guys just watch. I'm going to start out by placing the wig on a mannequin and doing most of the styling there. And at the end of the video, I'll allow you guys to witness me put it on my client and model and see how we have a little fun with the wig. They also included eyelashes, a wig cap, and again, these 2 adjustable straps that are detachable that you can put along the sides of the wig if you choose to use them. And now we'll just get into the styling of the wig on the mannequin. I'll show you guys my parting, how I style and cut it, and then I'll come back and chat with you guys when my model enters the screen.
Smiling.